Hey guys, Aniket here and welcome back to Databox Masterclass. In episode 1, we learn what the Databox is, and in episode 2, we created and activated it. So in episode 3 that we will diving into real use. So let's get started. So as mentioned in the last video, this is how the dashboard of Databox looks like. Here you can find all the received messages, the sent messages, the history, and even the file storage. If you have any legalized documents, you can find those over here. All the profile related information, you can find it over here, and the notifications and other kind of settings that you can find it over here. So whenever you are planning to send a message, then you can just go over here. So here, instead of putting some email ID, you need to find a correct authority. Usually the Databox has the integrated directory, all the government offices. Usually you can find all the IDs of the majority of the government offices on our Czech Visa Master portal. So you can directly copy it from there. For example, the ID for Ministry of Interior is this, Ministry of the Interior. So you can just click over here. You can put your subject. For example, I write here as an address change. So then continue. Here you can put some text message that if you want to add. You can attach your legalized accommodation proof. Submit it to Ministry of Interior without even going there. Similarly, if you want to send some message to tax office, then you can get the ID from Czech Visa Master website and you can put the ID over here. And here you can find the correct authority. So click on this, put the subject that you want to add. Then click on continue, and similarly you can put some text message over here and attach your documents. So here is how you can communicate to any Czech authority officially and safely. So in the episode 4 we will cover the advanced features like digital signatures, the security, backups, and time restrictions, and even some legal tips. And that's it for now. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic on my Instagram channel, so make sure you follow me there as well. And if you guys are looking for end-to-end consulting for the student visas in Czech Republic, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. Thank you.